Hi, I'm James Francis. I'm the owner of Digital Prosperity. I've decided to write and launch a book about how you can make tons of money through your own online business, all while traveling the world. In this series, you'll see me hopefully make it a bestseller while maintaining my own online business and enjoying my personal life with my girlfriend. So join me. Hello again, we're now in the Mustang on our way to Fort Lauderdale. Michelle is driving just so I can record these videos and also the scenery videos as well. However, today it's raining, which is okay because yesterday we spent all day at the hotel pool on the rooftop and also on the beach as well in Miami. So that was incredible. We've had our dose of sunshine for a long time now, so that's awesome. As I mentioned, we're now on our way to Fort Lauderdale, which is the next stop on our Florida tour. And after that, we'll be going to London. But first, let's enjoy Fort Lauderdale. Okay, so we have some exciting news about the book. About 3 minutes after we arrived at the hotel, I looked at my phone very quickly just to check emails, make sure there's nothing important there, and there was the files for the book, the final version of the book, ready to upload to Ingram Spark, which is the self-publishing website I'm using for this book. Now, there are two self-publishers you can use. You can use CreateSpace, Ingram Spark. Okay, there are some others as well, but those are the two major players in the industry. I've looked at review videos of CreateSpace and Ingram Spark, and Ingram Spark provide the better quality book, you know, the better quality paper, better quality cover graphics and so on. Now, I'm really nervous because I've just gone through the whole process of adding the title name, the subtitle, the author, the categories the book will be in, everything else, and I'm now on the screen where I've uploaded the book, as you can see on the screen right here, with the ISBN numbers and everything else, the interior file of the actual book and the cover file with the graphics on it, and we can click continue to upload the book. Are you ready? Let's go. Ooh. Okay, it's verifying it, and let's see what happens. Please be good. It's verifying that everything is okay, just to make sure that there's no errors in the book with the graphics or anything else. Let's see. Sometimes that can happen. Okay, so we have one error here. We have low resolution images in file. Okay, so your files contain one or more images below 200 ppi. Okay, so this is something that is really important. So sometimes in the book, if your graphics that you've embedded into the book or the diagrams, stuff like that, if those aren't at a certain resolution, when printed, they can appear blurry because of some weird reason. I don't know why. I'm not a publisher, right? That's why I'm using this website, but apparently that's what happens. So I need to go back to the proofreader and say to him, look, this is what's happening. The graphics aren't at a high enough resolution. Can you please fix it? I have no idea how. I'm not a graphic designer, so please fix it, and then we can get the book published after this one error is resolved. So that's a bit annoying because I wanted to launch the book today. But you know, it is what it is. Sometimes things don't always go to plan, and that's one thing that is a constant in business, is that even when you think you are at the last hurdle, there will sometimes be something that happens that will delay you from being able to move forward. And the thing as an entrepreneur is just to overcome those hurdles, and the entrepreneurs that succeed are those that continually overcome hurdles one after another until there are no more hurdles, because life rewards you when you overcome those hurdles, and this is one of them. So let me go ahead and get this done, and I'll get back to you at a later date. So I always get asked, James, how do you actually work when you're on vacation without it intruding into your vacation time and becoming that guy who's always working when on vacation? The truth is, I only work when there is dead time, okay? So dead time is effectively when I'm just kind of waiting. Like, for example, now Michelle is in the shower getting ready to go to the pool. I'm all dressed ready and I'm just kind of waiting for Michelle. And this is a great example of some time when I would just boot up my laptop, which takes roughly 30 seconds or so. I could reply to a few clients, a few customers, talk to my staff, my employees, just check in on how everything is going. Maybe, you know, post a few social media things or whatever it may be, but it's time which is kind of spent, which would have just been spent, I guess, like sitting on the bed waiting or something, or browsing through Facebook on my phone. Instead of doing that, I just jump on my laptop, do a few quick things, and then off to the pool, right? So I still am able to accomplish things when there's not a huge block of time to work. So, you know, I don't have 30 minutes or an hour or 2 hours to work when on vacation, because I'm always doing things. I'm enjoying vacation and making the most of the time. But that's the best way of doing it that I've found works for me, is just to do little bits every now and again. So for example, when we get back from the pool, again, Michelle may be in the shower getting ready for this evening. I may go in the shower after her, but while I'm waiting on her to use the shower, I may be working in that time as well. So that's just a few examples of how I make the most of my time on vacation. But as I mentioned, we're now going to the pool. After that, we'll be going for some evening dinner, which will be amazing. And then who knows what we have in store. I've yet to hear back from the proofreader about the book, so I'm just kind of sitting here twiddling my thumbs here, just kind of waiting on him to get that finished. But as soon as that's ready, I'll let you know. Good morning. So today we are going to be flying to London, which is going to be really exciting. But first, we've got a bit of time to kill. So we're going to be going to the National Discovery and Science Museum in Fort Lauderdale on the way. So let's go. Coming up in the next episode. Welcome to London. I'm here to pick up my car. This is not a hire car, this is not a car that I've got from a friend or something like that. This is actually my car. Can you guess what it is? Let me reveal it to you.